Ow, my ankle.
Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is Neff and Natalia. We got something pretty cool today. What are we going to be doing?
Welding.
Yes, it's her first time welding. Let's see how she does. Remember, hit that like and subscribe.
Why did my thing go black?
It's supposed to.
That was so weird. I was like, I don't know where I'm recording anymore.
Did it show it on there?
I don't know, but I couldn't see it. It went black. Oh. I mean, I could play it.
Alright, so this is her first time welding. See how she does.
I'm nervous.
Well, there's only one way to get out of it.
Ah. Oh no. Do I just keep going?
Yeah, go ahead.
Did I do it? I didn't do it.
Well, we got some weld on there. Yeah.
That was burning.
Oh, it's getting better. Go ahead.
Like here?
Wherever you want.
No, like the.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that looks nice.
Oh, they look so much better.
Bro, they look so much better. Hold on, let me clean it up a little bit.
I wasn't gonna hit it, I was trying to get my finger away.
Bro, they look so much better. Heck yeah. Well, they look way better. They look like lines.
They look like mine.
Oh, bro. What? That's way better. That's nice.
Okay. Oh man, it's just gonna end up with a dot in the middle. That's so sad.
Hey, you can tell though. It says N-A.
Did I just write my whole name?
See? You see? N-A-C-A-L-I.
There's my name.
There's the name.
I hate how it like ruins it though because of all little specks.
Yeah. Man, there you go. You can tell there's a name. Natalia. It says Natalia. That's good though. What do you think about that?
It's nice for a first timer.
Right? You want to keep welding? Well, girl, it's almost nighttime.
No, it's not.
That actually looks like barbed wire. Alright, y'all. That's what we got for today. It was... I think she had fun.
It's addicting, but my hand hurts.
There you go. So, hey, remember, hit that like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Peace.